Hello, welcome to the Mathquarium. Today we're going to talk about complementary and supplementary angles. What are complementary and supplementary angles? Complementary angles are two angles that together form a right angle. That means that the measure of the two angles when they're added together add up to 90 degrees or pi over 2. Two supplementary angles are angles that together form a straight line. That means when I add the measures of the two angles together, they add up to 180 degrees or pi. If I want to find the complement to an angle, then I'm going to do 90 degrees minus that angle, or pi over 2 minus the measure of that angle. If I want to find a supplement to an angle, I'm going to do 180 degrees minus the angle measurement, or pi minus the angle measurement. For our first example, we're going to find the complement and the supplement to 35 degrees. However, usually when I'm doing these types of problems, I like to find the supplement first, because when an angle does not have a supplement, it also doesn't have a complement. To find the supplement, I'm going to do 180 degrees minus 35 degrees. This is for the supplement. When I subtract 180 degrees minus 35 degrees, I get 145 degrees. So the supplement to 35 degrees is 145 degrees. To find the complement, I'm going to subtract from 90. 90 degrees minus 35 degrees is 55 degrees. So the complement to 35 degrees is 55 degrees. Now let's find the complement and supplement to pi over 5. Starting with the supplement. To find the supplement, I'm going to subtract from pi. Since this is in radians, I now work with the radian form of a straight angle, pi. Pi minus pi over 5 will give me the supplement to pi over 5. But I need to come up with a common denominator, so pi is equal to 5 pi over 5. 5 pi over 5 minus pi over 5 is equal to 4 pi over 5. That means that 4 pi over 5 is the supplement to pi over 5. To find the complement, I'm going to subtract from pi over 2. Pi over 2 minus pi over 5. I need to come up with a common denominator. Pi over 2 is the same thing as 5 pi over 10, and pi over 5 is the same thing as 2 pi over 10. 5 pi over 10 minus 2 pi over 10 is equal to 3 pi over 10. So the complement to pi over 5 is 3 pi over 10. Now I want to find the complement and supplement to 4 pi over 7. To find the supplement, I'm going to start with pi. Pi minus 4 pi over 7 is the same thing as 7 pi over 7 minus 4 pi over 7. 7 pi over 7 minus 4 pi over 7 is 3 pi over 7. So the supplement to 4 pi over 7 is 3 pi over 7. Now I'd like to find the complement. To find the complement, I subtract from pi over 2. Pi over 2 minus 4 pi over 7 is the same thing as 7 pi over 14 minus 8 pi over 14. And that equals negative pi over 14. But when we're looking for complements and supplements, we want two positive angles. So since my answer here is a negative angle, that's actually not one of my valid answers. So this has no complement. You can have an angle with a supplement, but no complement if the angle is bigger than pi over 2. For our next example, we'd like to find the complement and supplement to 210 degrees. If I'm looking for the supplement of 180 degrees minus 210 degrees, there is no positive angle that's going to give me that answer. So there's no supplement. Similarly, with a complement, there's no positive number where I'm going to have 90 minus 200 degrees give me a positive number. So here you have an interesting situation. You can have an angle like 4 pi over 7 that has a supplement but no complement. But you can't have an angle with no supplement and a complement, because if something is bigger than 180 degrees, then it's also going to be bigger than 90 degrees. And that was our lesson on finding complements and supplements. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time at the Mathquarium.